God. It's gonna come for me. Get it? I got it.
Well, yeah, now you gotta clean my deck. Get the guts off.
That's gross.
We are still battling the weeds, but lately it has not been as bad as it was earlier this month. So hopefully that trend continues.
It was like furry.
Huh?
It was furry.
Huh.
No Auntie Jane, is she with dog training or something?
No, she is, because there wasn't much wind, she's trying to burn.
Oh.
We have a pile of branches and leaves that probably the size of our family room and chest high.
Yeah.
Plus, it was stacked probably pretty close to chest high in the burn pit. And she was trying to, it's still kind of wet, she was trying to get it started.
Sure.
She had it going when I left. I was there till about, from like 8:30 until 10:30. And it was burning.
Do I need to go down there and get him out or what? No.
Much wind out here today.
Staked out the mainsail.
Well, let's see when we get out there first if it's going to be worth the effort.
Okay.
Like I said, the forecast was for it to continue to die until like tonight.
Oh.
So, yeah, one of the forecasts I looked at just before I left said that this afternoon it was supposed to drop down to 2 knots.
Oh.
And in Green Bay, there was no wind at all. It was just like glass.
did put the mainsail up. After we got out of Little Sturgeon Bay onto the Bay of Green Bay, there was a fair bit of wind, making it worth the effort to raise the main.
You can sail for a while. Got it. In a West of Pier, Ryan Funeral
Oh yeah,
Home, I think.
yep. Oh yeah, that's where I know him from.
Okay, well his kid, yeah, his son went to Notre Dame, I think.
After all our struggles this season, can we get in? Can we get out? It is thrilling to be back out on the water, under full sail, with a clear blue sky, and a good breeze in our face. What a joy.
Made myself a sandwich.
Oh, well that's good.
Didn't make one for you, so I won't offer you a sandwich. Well, that was a nice short sail while it lasted.
Short sail better than no sail.
Was that like your first sail of the year?
No, we were all Nick was here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, this is the first time the main has been up, other than me just putting it up and putting the battens and stuff in. First time we sailed with the main. Lowering back in. Lost our wind. Although it's starting to pick up a little bit again.
I'm still on the boat. Yes, if you can. Okay, sweet, thank you. this side?
Yeah. We should put it there.
What cleat do you want me to hook it to?
Just hold on to it and throw it to the guys.
Sure.
I don't know if anybody's coming.
Okay.
Said they were busy at the dock.
Did you radio?
What?
Did you radio?
Yeah.
Oh.
But there's usually a bunch of people standing around there anyway that come and help, so.
Yeah. So I don't put this on a cleat or anything? I just...
No, just hang on to it and then you can pull that in. If I might be able to get close enough where they can just hand you the line.
Sure.
But if not, you can throw them that one and then he can pull you in with
Okay.
it. Best thing to do would be to hook on the two that are right by that cleat. There's two lines that come together right where you're standing, and then we can get the rest of them after that.
Okay.
But if you can hand me, see the stern line is really short now because of the way we dock.
Sure.
So we get those other ones first. I mean, if I can grab the stern line, we'll take it, but
Okay, just the two middle ones first.
it's a pretty short line. I'm plowing weeds. Fast as I can go, I'm plowing weeds.
Oh, really? Wow.
All right, can I throw you this? All right. There you go.
We are in for a storm here momentarily. And we'll see how this shakes out. But, pretty dark over to the north. Doesn't seem to be moving towards us over there, but over there it seems to be coming this way.